After successful launches of two flagship smartphones, OnePlus has made its specific place in the smartphone market. This is the reason that within a half year of its last variant release, OnePlus 5T, this company has announced OnePlus 6. It has also announced OnePlus 6 release date. OnePlus 6 release date. As per the company, OnePlus 6 release date is around summer 2018. This is the reason that its users are seeking more about OnePlus 6 smartphone on Google. They are also speculating about actual OnePlus 6 release date. So, here we bring some news and some rumors of OnePlus 6 release date, specifications, display, design and camera. What will be new in OnePlus 6? As iPhone X has already been released and this time it brings a face recognition feature that is liked by its users too much. So, OnePlus 6 might also have same or more advanced face recognition system than iPhone X. Its front-facing camera might support this feature. These updates will get clarity with OnePlus 6 release date. The successor of this smartphone has fingerprint scanner in the rear side, but this time there is a rumor that it might shift to its front size. OnePlus 6 will also come with all-new, Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processor. It is the next version of Snapdragon. There is another rumor that this smartphone will be coined by all-new Gorilla Glass 6, which might also launch in the same scenario. OnePlus 6 display. This time there are rumors that OnePlus 6 display will go one level up with QHD. This is because it wants to compete with its parallel smartphone companies. But their makers aren't showing their interest on it. So, they might stick on Full HD panel. It will also include headphone jack and speaker grill, Type-C charging port. The screen size of this variant might remain same as OnePlus 5T, which is selling with 6.01 inches touchscreen FDH Full Optic AMOLED 18:9 display with 2160 by 1080 pixels resolution. To know more about OnePlus 6 display, you have to wait till OnePlus 6 release date. OnePlus 6 specifications. As we know, each and every smartphone company releases their new smartphone with the most updated OS version, so if Google will launch any new update of Android then OnePlus 6 will come with it, otherwise it will also have Android 8.0, Oreo, and will be upgradable in the next versions of Android. It might become first smartphone of OnePlus 8, which will have 8GB RAM. It will release with two variants, including 64GB and 128GB. Whereas, it will be dual SIM, which will be of nano to micro size. OnePlus 6 price. When this smartphone will launch in the market, its price will be in between $479 $539. While, in India it will available in INR 30K 40K. As it comes in the list of budget mobile, so it will not exceed from this amount. Thank you for watching. For more updates of release dates, please share and subscribe and visit us on Surfx.